Hey, do you look forward to that? It's good, isn't it? Signals the start of the Saturday shave, or in this case, the Wednesday shave. Slap that face, John. Right, we've got an edit. Can I get this badger brush into sort with 26mm Frank Shaves 4-horn badger brush. This was very kindly gifted to me by Frank himself. Thank you, Ming, if you're watching. Oh, Mr. Bond, 26mm. Oh, that's the old Blofeld manoeuvre. Come on. When you get in touch with all the other shavers you watch and go, you need to do the Blofeld manoeuvre. There you go. What we're going to do, we're going to stick that in the official John Shave Super Soaker. Going to give it a good 10 minutes while I make a cup of tea or something. And then we'll come back and we'll go through this stuff and we'll get this shave done. See you in a minute. And we're here again. I bet that annoys so many people, doesn't it? That. Oh my words. Right, I've got to crack on. It's late in the evening. Woof. Finished work late, got home late, got set up late. Right, it's been soaking away. I made myself a cup of tea. Scouse Ian's biscuit flavoured tea bags are absolutely delicious. They're addictive, guys. They really, really are. And I'll show you what little snack I'm having with that in a minute. First, the razor. The Muhle, Rocca R95. There you go, with the birch bark handle. There you go. Do you get taught that at schools? Roll your R's. There you go. That's what we're going to do. What we're going to put in it. Woo. We're going to put in a vintage Polsilver blade. These guys, these are sensational. If you ever get a chance to get any of these blades and use them, I would highly recommend it. I think they are absolute sensational blades. There you go. Look at this. Let's get this little bad boy out of here. Oh, come on. Fat fingers and bad eyes, not a good combo. There you go, Polsilver. We'll put that, for those of you who like to see the little square channels on the underside of that there. You hold that in place. And they sit in there, that bit. And then the underside of that is smooth. You see that little ring? That's got like a little fat lip. And there, you put that in there and it nestles up nicely. This is a good razor now. That's smooth birch bark, but don't be fooled. That's really, really grippy, that guy. And we're going to put that in there in the warm water next to the brush. Okay, what are we using today? Soap, come on. Look, Musgo Real. Got this, grated it into this. This is Bulldog shaving soap. It should be called something else. Bull, not dog. It's the worst. I mean, it's next level garbage. I mean, it made, do you know the GOF Trumpers hard puck that you buy and you use once and you throw away because it's that right? Well, Bulldog shaving soap makes that look like CK6. It really is bad. But it's about £4 and it comes in this lovely, beautiful little wooden case. Well, I repurposed it. I put the Musgo label. There's a little bulldog face under there. Put the Musgo label there and grated the Musgo Real into there. Just a beautiful, generic, soapy scent, hand soap. The kind of soap you'd like to have in the shower, actually. A little fresh, clean scent. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to put that. That's what we're going to be lathering up with. Going to be balming up with one of Johnny's favourite balms. Now we can't get 5-in-1 anymore. Captain Fawcett's Dr. Pepper aftershave balm. Captain Fawcett, because to me it's got a pepperiness. If you're out there and you've used this, do you get it like there's a pepperiness in Azaro and Mandate. Do you know Mandate aftershave? It's like a cheap version of Azaro, but they've got a peppery, a lovely rich black pepperiness to them that my nose is very attuned to, and I pick it up in this. And apart from the fact it's really good quality balm as well. That's that. And the splash. Ah, there you go. Look at what we're going to be using. Baez, I think, not John. It's not John Baez. There you go. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that label. Wunderbar, wunderbar. Let's have a look. Beautiful, fresh, clean, soapy sandalwood scent. That was about £3 off a UK website, guys. Beautiful label, beautiful artwork, smells good. Throw it in your bag, take it to work with you at that price. You can't argue with that, can you? That's it. Right, come on. What we snacking on? Look. Do you remember? Oh, I remember back in the 80s there was an advert for these Ferrero Rocher, and we were all just sat watching it, and we were all like that. Like, you know, the advert came on. The ambassador's famous for his balls, and women love to go to the ambassador's balls, and they love the ambassador's other balls. These little balls, Ferrero Rocher. I kid you not, guys. In the UK in the 1980s, that was the advert. That was the strapline. Ferrero Rocher, so you can enjoy the ambassador's balls too. We were all like that, thinking, did we just see that? Okay. Cheers, everybody. Right. Let's see how we go on with this. Badger, you know me. I'm not baptising the neighbours. I find this just ever more gentle. And it works no matter what size badger brush. The minute those drips stop, I mean, they'll see like now, if you force it, they'll come, but for the most part, just gentle. For the most part, they stop. That's ready. That seems to hold just the right amount of water for me. We'll get that on there. And what we're going to try and do is we're going to try and make a paste, and we will load onto the brush and lather onto the face. Thank you once again to Ming from Frank Shaving. Very, very kindly sent me this. Okay, there you go. We've got some paste on there. We'll wet the face. Let's see how we go. Yeah, well, it is one of the better badgers. This, it really, really is. I think it's very, very soft. I mean, me personally, I think badger brushes tend to work better when ball lathering. But yeah, look at this, guys. We could keep going and going and going, couldn't we? But I think we're there. I do. I think we're there. There you go. So what do you think? What do you think of the gear? Let me know. And let me know too what your shaves of the day are. And also, if you've used any of the stuff in here, please let me know in the comments, because I'm only telling you what my experience is. And every single one of them has a different experience and a different nose zone. But look at that. This is some piece of kit, this, guys. This razor is just some piece of kit. I think I got this particular one from Stuart George. Thank you, Stuart. Stuart bought it for £100+. He messaged me and said, John, I've used it once. Just once. He said, it's not for me, not by any stretch of the imagination at all. Do not want to use it again. And he sold it to me, guys, for less than half price. So thank you, Stuart. Stuart, like so many other people, who's been very kind to this channel. But once again, look, these blades are coming through, aren't they? Look at that. These blades are coming through. As is Frank's brush, look. You could dip the tips, couldn't you? And just keep going and keep going and keep going. This is enough. This is enough. There isn't a great deal of hair. I got a really close shave on Saturday. It's Tuesday evening now, so it's only 2 days worth of growth. But look at this. Isn't this razor just taking it down at an absolute treat? Yeah, please click like and subscribe. If you haven't done already. I know I've said it before. At YouTube Analytics, they tell me I got a thing. 1,000 people watched your last 3 videos. Please swipe for more statistics. And then it came up. Only 51% of the people that watch these videos are subscribers. If you're not already a subscriber, please become one. It's the best way you can help the channel. Come on. Should we revisit? Should we go back? There's no shame in that. I know some people maybe think there is, but there isn't. You're having a shave. The camera wasn't here. I'd have revisited the puck. Yep, there you go. Look at that. We did okay. Badgers, it's just the way badgers work. They do tend to hog the lather. But they are so soft and so smooth and so good at retaining moisture and heat, as I've been finding, that they are just well worth that little bit of extra effort that it takes. And there's certainly no shame. I was not fond of badgers at all, even for years after I had my channel. Until Bradley over there in Texas, he said, "John, let's try soaking your brushes for a little bit longer in some hot water." And sometimes it takes people to point that out. I was grateful that he did. But it may sound obvious now. But at the time I wasn't doing it. You know, and when I made a concerted effort to give it a good 10-minute soak before the shave, the difference it had on how the brush performed was unreal. So we're all learning together, aren't we? Old Chinese proverb says one hand washes the other. You didn't know I was a philosopher, did you? Okay. All other mittens. Watch this now, look. See that? There you go. We did okay. It's good stuff, this, guys. That Musgo Real was about £7. I don't even think it was that. And I've used it, Samantha's used it, my wife used it regular as clockwork to shave her legs. Absolute wonderful, and it's just not going down. Really, really is good stuff. I wanted the matching aftershave, but it's something like 10 times the price of the soap. I thought, no, I don't want it that much. So I went and I bought this one. I think that was at, is it called Man Up UK or Makeup UK? There's the two of them, Makeup or Man Up. I look on that many, guys. I sit and troll the internet and so on and look for stuff. I'll try and find the link for it. And if I can, I will post it underneath this video. But that aftershave I got there was something like £4. Absolutely wonderful, wonderful, wonderful stuff. What's that? What? I thought I'd cut myself again then, what? Ugh. Little bit of fluff. Right, here we go. No idea how this is going to react. It smells like a mix between sandalwood and hair lacquer. It's the best way I can describe it. Sandalwood and hair lacquer. It looks... It's not syrupy, but it does the hint of skin foodiness. Yeah, smells really good. Oh. Whew, for that money, guys, you can't go wrong, can you? You cannot go wrong. It's good, it'll do. At the end of the day, I think a true aftershave, a true lotion you would put on after the shave, helps to constrict the skin, close the pores, and sterilise any little nicks and cuts you may have. Here we go. I do like this stuff. I really do. Oh. Yeah, it's there again. I really do get that pepperiness. Don't know what it is that I'm picking up, but I like it. And there we go, look. There we go. I'm off to have another one of the Ambassador's chocolates. Look after yourselves, look after each other. It's dark out there. Late in from work again, so I gotta get a flyer on. But it's all good, guys. It's all good. We did it. Is that? Oh my word. I think because I rushed it a bit, yeah. But we did okay. Look after yourselves and each other. And remember, in a world of darkness, you be a beacon of light. And I will see you on Saturday for the Saturday shave. Might be a Valentine's one, although Valentine's Day will be over then. We'll see. Bye.